Hey YouTube, got a utility sink with a leaking faucet. It's a Pfister, and we're gonna replace the washers, see if that fixes it. First thing I need to do is reach under the sink and shut the water valves. One, two water valves shut off. Come up here, turn them on. Yes, they are shut off. Next thing to do is take off these little plastic caps. There we go. They just pry right off. There it is. We'll just set it aside for now. And then there's one screw holding the handle on. So that was loose. I think it has nothing to do with it, but it was loose. And then that just comes right off. We'll set these aside over here on the furnace. Next thing we do is we take the stem off, and that simply unscrews. Boy, for a 40-year-old faucet, this is going like clockwork, famous last words. Pretty sure this is original, and I know this building's 40 years old. I don't know whether the washers have been replaced before or not. All right, there's a screw at the end, and this is the washer. So I am going to have to do that off camera, but I'm just going to back that screw out, and then that washer just comes right out. All right, I've got the camera propped up against the water bottle, so let's take the handle, put it in there, see if we can get this screw off. Yeah, holding on the bushing. Okay, now that should just pry right out. There it is. This is the culprit, the little rubber seal here. And they've got a brand new one. Harbor Freight. I got a whole kit for like $3. So we put that in. Make sure it's flush. Put the screw back in. Just snug. All right. So there's the kit I got from Harbor Freight. I think it was $3.99. Probably couldn't have got the washers much cheaper. And once again, there's the old washer. It's kind of, you can see the new one's perfectly flat. This one has got an indented groove, worn out. All right, let's go put this back together. make sure this isn't tight. When I tighten this, I don't want to squish that washer with the with the wrench, the full force of the wrench. Okay, put this back on. Then I put the screw over here on the furnace. And we'll put the cap back on. All right, I did this one while we were off camera. So, let's turn the water back on. Hot. Cold. And cold. Hot. No leak. All right, I'm convinced that was just residual. So that's how you change faucet washers in a laundry tub sink Pfister faucet. Thanks for watching.